Top 5 Haunting Whale Sounds from the Deep. The ocean hides secrets in its depths, and some of the most haunting ones come from its giants. Today, we're diving into the top 5 haunting whale sounds from the deep. Get ready for goosebumps. But before we start, you'll have incredible luck this week if you like and subscribe to my channel in the next 3 seconds. Let's make a splash. The Humpback Whale's Song. The blue whale's low-frequency hum. The sperm whale's clicking. The 52 Hertz whale. The orca's chilling vocalizations.